olive bordeaux, looks kind of a maroon. We'll show those later on in the finished version here of the film. Okay, so that's what your tote bag's going to look like. Okay, now I'm going to take this table off for a second. I'll get you to help me. You sure you don't want to do this? Takes a little bit of grip. You have to be careful not to scratch the leather so bad inside. But what we're going to try to do is turn this bag inside out. The leather is about a 6 to 7 ounce. And I scratch it just a little bit to give the glue somewhere to adhere to. If you just leave it slick, it's just going to slide all over the place. Learned that the hard way. If you lay your piece over the edge of the table, you won't get glue on your table. Just kind of just hang it right over the edge. So this guy. This is some more of that Zen type stuff I was talking to you about earlier.